Let's take a look at creating a page in Schoology. In Schoology, we would create a page to share information with our students. Nothing is going to be turned into us from this. This is just a way for us to get information out to our students. So I'm going to go ahead and create a page all about sharks. So I'm going to go into our All About Sharks folder that we're working on. I'm going to come up here and click Add Materials and come down to where it says Add Page. When you see Add Page, it's going to come up and you will see our text editor box. Here's where our title is going to go. So I'm going to title it, Let's Learn All About Sharks. Now, I can put lots of information here. Anywhere down in this box, we can add things. So I'm going to start, I like to tell my students what I want them to do first. So I usually start something with student task, read the following information to learn all about sharks. So I'm going to tell them what I want them to do. I actually usually will highlight this, and I normally do the color green because green is for go, and this is what I want them to do. You can do formatting, strike through. You can come over here is where I would do size. I kind of like doing 16 font. I'm going to highlight student tasks. So the first thing I'm going to tell them is what I want them to do. So a page they're just absorbing and learning this information. And then I want them to continue to the assignment after reviewing this page. So that's the task. Now I might want to go ahead and I'm going to put all my information in here. So the first thing I'm going to start off with, we're going to go back into my black now. I'm going to do shark body parts. And then I'm going to come up here. We're going to insert an image. I've already taken an image that I wanted and downloaded it to my desktop. I'm going to click Insert Content, Insert Image or Video, or Image or Media. Click Image. I'm going to attach a file. And I put this on my desktop, shark body parts. Go ahead and upload that, and you'll see it's going to come up right here. So there's my picture right there. And then I wanted the next thing I was going to do, we're going to share some fun facts about sharks. And I'm going to come over here. I have another tag where I have shark facts for kids. We're just going to go ahead and copy and paste these for right now. Coming back into the Schoology one we're working on. So we can take this heading out. And then I might want them to go ahead and explore a website, which I could do. And if you wanted to like get all this formatting correctly, you can highlight it again, come up in here, however you want to do it with it. And then I could come here and do explore this website about great white sharks. And I have the website I want here. It's National Geographic. So then I'm going to go back into the page we're at. And I'm going to just highlight this and we're going to link it. So I just highlight it, come up here to the top and click link. I'm going to go ahead and put the page that I want it to go to and insert there. I might want to make this bigger too. And then the last thing I want to do is I'm going to insert a video clip that I have. So this is the video that I found that I like. So I'm going to click share. That's going to get me this address. I'm going to copy it. You want to make sure you've watched this video about sharks before we do it. And then I'm going to come up here to insert content over here. And this time I'm going to click on where it says YouTube. And it's going to come up. I'm going to put in here the address that I already found. You can actually search through videos in here too. I find it easier for me to go find them out there and then do it. So I'll click, and then I'm going to do import is embed. I could preview the video here if I wanted to, but it's going to import as embed, which is going to put it right down here. I don't see it here, but let me show you how I will see it. So I'm going to go ahead and hit create just so y'all can take a look at this page, and we'll go back in and make a few tweaks. So I'll click on the thing and you'll see it comes up. Here's my task that my students telling them what to do, looking at the shark body parts. These are some facts they can read about it. Explore this website about sharks. You can see if I click on it, it's going to take me out to a website all about sharks. And then I'm going to come down here, and here's this video. The nice thing is that it's right here on the page. It'll actually play right there within the page. We're not going out and getting lost through YouTube. Now, if I wanted to make some tweaks, because like this, I don't think stands out big enough. I might want to make that bigger. I'm going to come up here and do the little wheel up top and click edit page. And I'm going to scroll down. We wanted to make this bigger. And I'm going to show you a few other things that you're able to do. And then down here at the bottom, you'll see these options over here. I can individually assign. So if I had a group of students that were high achieving students or students that needed additional work, I could assign this to just those few students if I wanted to. This is, right now it's unpublished, and when it publishes, it will be published. But I can display this on a new page, which is what it is now. But if I click it, it's going to display in line, meaning as soon as that folder opens, this page is actually going to open up without them even having to click on it. So let me show you what that looks like now that I've done that change. I'll click Save Change. Now we will go back to my sandbox course. You'll see whenever I click on All About Sharks, that this page is up top, but it also opens up so they can see all the information right there. It's really packaged nicely. You could go over this information in class with them. They could follow along. They can also review this information when they got home too. And they have everything kind of right in one place for them. So that's how you would create a page in Schoology.